Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in this really quick video, I'm going to keep this very short, but I've gotten a couple questions in the last couple of days around the easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing. If you're building an authority site, a marketplace, a directory, or that sort of site, I have a shit ton of affiliate marketing stuff in our private community. So if you're not part of our private community, you can sign up for that below. But the easiest way, and this is just one example of many, this is Podia, the software we use for Mindful Marketplace for the partners.mindfulmarketplace.com, part of our platform. So courses and email and our own affiliate program and our membership site, et cetera, et cetera. And as you can see, you can really easily recommend the software that you are actually using and ethically and in an efficient way earn amazing affiliate commissions simply referring folks to use the actual tools and tech and software and services that you use to grow your business. So one of the things that I've been recommending people do that's really easy is so and there, again there's a lot more content on about how to do this on in our community, but and you'll see there's a PDF that has a list of buckets that I call them, or silos of different sorts of affiliate strategies. But the easiest one to start with is to help your clients build their own marketplace of products, or sell their own stuff, right? And then you can recommend they use the software that you use to do the same thing, and you get a fat commission from the software that you're recommending, often ad infinitum. In other words, it'll forever, in perpetuity, until they cancel. So, things that I recommended 3 years ago, people that signed up for Podia years ago, I still get paid on today because they just keep renewing. And oftentimes, there are people that I just said, hey, let me help you set up if you want to sell an ebook, if you want to sell a course, if you want to sell, a coaching offer. I'll help you put it on Podia for, I don't know, 50% off the normal rate that I would charge. So maybe $100. I'll help you set the whole thing up. All I ask is that you use our platform's affiliate link, which is below. And once I have verification that you've done that, let me know when is a good time for you, and you can pay this very modest fee, and we'll help you get the whole thing set up and give you some really good tips that will, expedite the process of building your brand, your business, and ultimately your bank account. And all I'm doing is recommending they use Podia, right? Or whatever the software is. I've done this with every possible sort of tool under the sun. And it's a really ethical, Circle, for an example, the software that we use for our community. I pay for that, but I make 3 or 4 or 5 times the amount that I pay every month in affiliate commissions, right? They've only been around for 6, 7, 8 months, and I get it for free, in principle, because they're paying me more for as an affiliate than I pay them as a customer. So that's really the most ethical, the easiest, and the most expedient way of starting to make affiliate sales if you're building an authority site, a marketplace, a directory, or that sort of brand or business. And again, you're not going to get rich doing that. That's not the goal necessarily in building this sort of business, but it's a way of generating a supplemental stream of income while you're actually, focused on the big idea that you're inspired by, or that really kind of makes you, want to get up in the morning and do the work. All right, teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm actually going to post this on YouTube as well, so if you are watching it there, feel free to ask in the community comments, and I'm happy to help. Thanks so much, and as always, have a wonderful night.